So I've just opened this parcel from Amazon, and inside it I'm expecting to find some solar powered lights. Here they are, look. So you fit them on the wall, and they've got a motion sensitive sensor, so they come on brightly when somebody comes within range of them. Here are the lights, and that's the solar panel, and those are the LEDs here. I'm just going to leave this on the table in the sunlight to charge up a bit, minutes, and then we'll get it fixed onto the wall somewhere where it's going to be useful. So just another look at this little device, which I unboxed earlier outside. In the packet here you've got your 2 wall plugs, 2 screws, and a little pin for pressing in through this hole to turn the thing on and off. Now what I'm going to do, I don't recommend you necessarily do this, but because I'm reviewing it, I'm just going to have a look inside. So we'll undo these screws and see if we can get the back off. Three, four, see if we can just pull it off. There we go. So that's off completely, as you can see. The battery is this flat thing here. It's a 600 milliamp hour 3.7 volt one, so it's a Lion battery. Nothing in there that we can do really. I was wondering if it was a standard size battery that could be taken out and charged separately, but it can't. You'll notice that there is a seal round here to ensure that it's waterproof. So this presses against this little bit of plastic here to seal it, so it'll be quite weatherproof. But there is a hole at the bottom to let any water that does happen to get in out. So that's an excellent piece of design. Just push it all back together again. Fits back together quite nice and easily. And I've just put the screws back on, but I won't bother to film that because it's not very interesting. So I want to fit my solar light here up above the door. I'm just going to try it for position. I think right up there is probably going to be good. Right up there. So I've got to drill 2 holes just over 3 inches apart. So I'll do that and then we'll resume. So there are my 2 plugs in the wall. Bottom screw goes in with a little bit left out, and then we leave the top screw and put it through the hole in there. Bottom screw's going into that slot at the bottom there, so I need to leave it out enough that it can go into that slot. The top hole, and it's in the right position. Bottom hole, sorry, and it's in the right position. So the top screw's ready to go in. All I've got to do now is screw it in. One final thing to do, which is I need to use this pin through the hole here just to turn it on. And then I can check that it is on. But it's definitely casting a shadow on the arm of that chair. So the dim mode is giving some light, and the bright mode is very nice, as you can see.